I'm David. He is my little brother, Alec. Now I'm going to make a bookmark for my books. I read a lot of books. The ingredients are tape, ruler. This is a plastic ruler. You can use any ruler. Cardstock, punch hole, and ribbon, and scissors. Let's do it! Okay. The width of the cardstock is 2 inches, and the length of the cardstock is 4.5 inches long. That's the length and width of the cardstock. And then we need to get 9 inches long duct tape. Okay, I got 9 inches, and now we need to cut it. Cut. I cut the 9 inches tape. Now I need to put the cardstock in the starting line. And then to fold like this. And then there's some extra tape where we need to cut it. I cut the extras. Now I need to punch the cardstock with the punch hole. Now we need to put the ribbon in the hole and then tie it. Ta-da! I did it. See? This is a bookmark. And I did another bookmark for my brother. They're so alike. Well, this is the end of the very fun activity I made. Maybe a bookmark. Yeah. Very fun bookmark I made. Please subscribe, ring the bell, see you next time. Bye!